Good morning, children. In the previous chapter, we have studied about the electricity and its first property, that is the heating effect of electric current. Now, in this chapter, we are moving towards the another property of the electricity, and that is the magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic, a new word. You are familiar with it. What is a magnet basically? A substance which attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction when suspended freely. And its property is known as magnetism. The property of magnet to attract iron materials. As all of you know this thing, that when we are having a magnet with it, it can easily attract the iron materials, few materials towards its side, and those materials which comes towards its attract towards its side, they are made up, or they are having a magnesia, or we can say they are having a iron in it. So then magnet is a substance which is both attractive as well as the directive properties. Like magnet, it has two poles. Like magnetic poles repel each other, while unlike magnetic poles, they attract each other. And it has two poles, south pole and the north pole. The natural magnet is of dark blackish color, to which we can call it as a black stone or a lodestone. We can make artificial magnets also. You know much better than that. When you rub an iron piece on a magnet, it converts to the magnet. So that makes the artificial magnet. Depends on the basic various shapes. We can make it as a bar magnet, or it can in a horseshoe magnet, or we can use it in a compass needle also, magnetic compass also. Basically, it have a field around it, and the space around a magnet in which the force of attraction and repulsion due to the magnet can be detected, it makes the magnetic field. And this in this field there are basically curved paths. There are rays which, or we can say that the magnetic flux is there, through which we can, through the north end, all these magnetic rays, they move out of it and they enter the same magnet through the south pole, and these are known as the magnetic field lines. This can be seen with the experiment when you do in the lab, that you are having or in a class, at your home also. Not only in a class, at your home also, you can just take a piece of a magnet and few iron fillings. The area around which it can attract the iron, that will show you its attractive nature. And along with it, we'll come to know that near the north pole and the south pole there will be maximum attraction, and in the middle it is minimum. So through here we can come to know about the properties of the magnetic field lines. A magnetic field line is directed from north pole to south pole outside the magnet, and south pole to north pole inside the magnet. A magnetic field line is a closed and continuous curve. The magnetic field lines are crowded near the pole where the magnetic field is strong, and apart near the middle of the magnet and far from the magnet they are very weak. And one more most important thing is there, that these magnetic field lines, they never intersect each other. How much ever they closer may be, but they never intersect, because if they do so, there would be two directions of the magnetic field at that point, which is absurd or which can't be possible in the single magnetic field. In case of the field lines are parallel and equidistant, they represent the uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field lines means that we can say that there are magnetic fields, they are of two types: uniform magnetic field and the non-uniform magnetic field. Magnetic field is said to be uniform if its magnitude is equal and direction is same at every point in the space. That makes the uniform magnetic field. Whereas if the magnetic field, if its magnitude is not equal and direction is not same at every point, then we can call them as the non-uniform magnetic fields, just like when they have a curve at the sides, when they come out from the north and take a curve, make a curved path and enters through the south end. At that point they makes the non-uniform magnetic field. So that's all for today.